Hello guys and welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about Kit Action Automation for Workflows, which is actually one of our workflow apps that you're about to install in your agency and connect to your Kit account. Execute actions directly from the workflow. So let me show you how to set it up. At your agency view, you come down here at the app marketplace. You search for the app. You go at install. You select the sub account where you want the tool to be available. Sub account one. Continue. You come here at allow and install. You select the plan, whether it's the monthly plan or the yearly one. Confirm. You automatically open in your window where you have to copy this custom menu link. So you make sure it's copied and then you switch back to your agency view. Why do we copy this custom menu link URL? It's to create your custom menu link at your agency view. But remember, you only do this is it is your first time installing one of our apps. So in order to create a custom menu link, you come down here at settings and you go on custom menu, create new. You just have to fill this form. You select an icon for your custom menu link. We have different icons here. Here you type a name for your custom menu link. How you going to name your custom menu link? For example, we decided to name our custom menu link Greg Apps. We will check it later. We switch back. Here you paste the custom menu link URL link that you copy from the app. You paste it here. You scroll down. You have some preferences that you can check. Here you select the sub account where you want all your apps to be available. Afterwards, you have role-based visibility. So you can decide who you can give access to, to all the information. And then you come down here and you make sure you save. Once you're done, you switch to your sub account. Remember, we chose sub account one when installing the app from Marketplace. Let's look for our custom menu name. Remember, we decided to name our custom menu name Greg Apps. There you go. We have Greg Apps here. So if you guys name your custom menu name, for example, my applications, make sure you have my applications here. Let's click on Greg Apps. As you can read, we have apps available and connected apps. If the store is not available here, it means that the tool is already connected. So if you type Kit here and it doesn't pop up, it means that Kit is already connected. But let's pretend that we're about to do it for the first time. Okay, but let's go on connected app. We have Kit Action Automation for Workflows here. Okay, we'll pretend we're doing the connection for the first time. In order to get it going, we come here at setup. We have two information required in order to get the connection going: to provide your API key and to provide your API secret. But before we go any further though, you can notice we have here written how to get your API key. Actually, if you click on it, it's going to open Smart Queue, which will guide you how to get all those keys. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Kit account. At profile, drop down, we go on setting, and then we come here at the left. We look for then I access an app creation. There you go. So as you can notice, we already have some keys created here. If you guys want to create one, you can just come here at the add a new key. You click on it and you create one. But let's use what we already have here. We copy I key, make sure it's copied. We switch back, we paste it, and we come here to show the API secret. We copy, we switch back, we get it pasted, and we submit. Bingo. We just connected our tool to our Kit account. And now we're about to execute actions directly from our workflow for our Kit account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all inquiries. Thank you for watching this video, guys.